Hi friends, this video shows how to connect these rear speakers using this 25 feet Amazon Basics RCA cable. So this is a Amazon Basics RCA cable. So let me check the ports of this right rear speaker. First we need to connect this power cable to right rear speaker. We can connect this power pin here. Okay, done. Then let me check the ports of this left rear speaker. So using a RCA cable, we have to connect these two speakers. See, I am going to connect these two speakers using this RCA cable like this. So let me connect. Okay. Then connect this cable to the left speaker. Okay, done. Then we need to connect this power adapter to power plug. So let me connect. Then power on. You can see the indicator here. So this way we can connect rear speakers using lengthy RCA cable. So this is a full connection. This right rear speaker has Bluetooth. This will automatically connect to soundbar. If it's not connecting, then there is a pair button here. We have to press and hold this pair button for 3 seconds. Then it will enter into pairing mode. Then it will automatically pair with soundbar. See, this is a pair button. Bluetooth pair button for right rear speaker. So this way we can connect left and right rear speaker and right rear speaker to soundbar via Bluetooth. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.